I've been thinking a lot today about the act of caring for others. There's something incredibly fulfilling about it, something that goes deeper than I ever realized before. It's not just about the practical things, making sure they're okay, helping with what they need, or taking care of their well being. It's about something more, something emotional that happens inside me when I'm there for someone. When I care for someone, I feel a sense of purpose. It's like I'm connected to something greater than myself. The act of giving my attention, my time, and my love to someone else fills me with this quiet, profound joy. It's not about expecting anything back. In fact, it's the opposite. It's the act of giving without any agenda. And somehow, that's what makes it so meaningful. When I see them smile, when I know I've made a difference in their day, or even just in their moment, there's this rush of happiness that fills my heart. It's like a little spark of light inside me. It reminds me that the world isn't just about what I can get or achieve for myself. It's about what I can give, and in giving, I get so much more. It's amazing, really, how caring for others is one of those simple things that has the power to fill my life with happiness. The joy is real, but it's not loud or overwhelming. It's a quiet kind of joy, like a warm, steady light. It's so comforting. I think I need to remember this more often, that when I take the time to care for someone, it doesn't drain me like I used to think it might. Instead, it fills me up. It's good to remind myself that love and kindness are never wasted. And the feeling I get when I'm able to be there for someone, it's something I can't quite put into words, but I feel it deep down. It's like the heart is at peace, content, and filled with joy. I want to keep remembering this, keep seeking out those moments where I can care for others. It's one of the best things I can do for myself and for them. It's a beautiful cycle, really, giving care, receiving joy.